Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Firebase in 2024. So the last time that I did a video like this, I did it in 2022. So it's been a while and I was using JavaScript by itself. Now I'm using TypeScript, as you can see on the screen on this project that we've been working on. And I think it's a good time to revisit this and show you how to install Firebase. Okay. So we already have a project. If you don't have a project, you have to go back to some of the tutorials that I've done and you can check, you can create like your project from scratch. This is like a NextJS project. It uses Tailwind CSS and also TypeScript. Okay, so I'm just gonna run this project and I'll show you. So this is the project for the tutorials. And it says Jeeps for sale. Let me just close this. Okay, Jeeps for sale. So we're just gonna implement Firebase to this one. So the first thing that we wanna go is go to firebase.com. So we'll go to Firebase. .google.com. We'll go to the console and I'm just gonna create a new project, right? So the new project, it's gonna be called Jeeps for sale. I'm just gonna copy this because I'm gonna use the same one later on. So continue. I don't want any Google Analytics, so I'll just just slide this to the left, which means off, and then we'll have to wait a little bit. So let's just give it a second here. So when it's done, you can click on continue. You'll see your project here. What you want to do is go to web, and here, what's the name of the project or your app in this case? It's gonna be the same, Jeeps for sale, register app, and then you're gonna have something which is like a configuration for Firebase. So you want to add this to your project. It's taking a little bit longer than expected, but let's wait. Okay, so it gives you all the things that you need to do. So you need to install Firebase. So let's just copy this command. Let me close this. Stop the server. I'm just gonna issue that command, npm install Firebase. I'll make this a little bit bigger. Maybe move it to the left a little bit there. Okay, so where is installing Firebase at this point? So let's just give it a second. Okay, so we have installed Firebase. So now let's just run it again. And let's go back here. Okay, so now we have the configuration file. So I already exited out of the configuration, but I'll show you how to get back to it. So you wanna go to project settings. And you want to go, so you'll just scroll down and then you'll see your configurations here. So after you have installed Firebase, you can just copy this configuration and let me copy it, and then you can go here and we're gonna create like a folder for that configuration. So we'll just call it config, just like that, and then here we're gonna open. And here we're just gonna create like a firebase.ts file. And then we can just copy this configuration, right? So now you're ready to start using it. But you wanna export this because we wanna use this. So you wanna add the export here because we're gonna be using this to control the application for different things, right? Okay. So now we have our configuration. Now we exported it. So now we can use it in the different files here. Alright, so we have added the configuration, and I think that's it for this tutorial. I know it's a short tutorial. I just wanted to show you how to install it and how to add the configuration file to your local project. But in the next tutorial, we're gonna explore a little bit more about Firebase. I want these videos to be a series of videos. That's why I'm trying to make them as short as I can, so that it doesn't become overwhelming for people. Okay. So yeah, that's it from this tutorial. So this is how you install Firebase in 2024 in a project using Tailwind CSS, NextJS, and TypeScript. So if you like the tutorial, please subscribe, share it with other people, and I'll see you in the next one to continue with this Firebase tutorial series. Thank you.